I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've stopped at the Paynes Prairie rest area near Gainesville, Florida, because there's something just kind of interesting here, something cool to check out that I want to show you. This is the rest area proper. That's not the cool thing, though. No, the cool thing, the interesting thing about this rest area that I want to show you is right over here. It's this wall. This massive wall walkway spreads around 325 feet. This wall has been formed to look like a snake, a queen snake. You can see its eye, you can see its tongue. Pardon the lawnmowers in the background. And here is a placard about the snake wall. The wall is 325 feet long, from the tip of the nose to the end of the tail. At its highest point is 13 feet high. It actually has a bulge at one point. There are a lot of poisonous snakes in this vicinity, in this region. And this wall was partially built as a way to, I mean, it has a practical benefit as well, but it was also built as a way to educate people, to remind them to be careful and to watch for snakes. All right, here we are. We're gonna go in reverse. We're starting, as you see here, actually if you look at the bricks, see the bricks on the ground? Here's the end of the tail, right here. There's the tail. And it goes up. It gets a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit longer, a little bit wider, a little bit wider. Until it encompasses the entire walkway and the wall. Now we are walking through the snake wall. Walking through the snake wall. Walking through the snake wall. Oh yeah! Palm trees on the side. Glad to see those palm trees. Oh yeah! Oh, I wonder where oh, right here. Right over here. This is the bump. This is where the snake ate something. It's digesting. It hasn't gone all the way through yet. Walking through the snake. Walking through the snake. Walking through the snake. From here, just underneath that palm tree there, you can see the other eye. The eye of the snake. Oh, keep walking. We're almost there to the head of the snake. We're almost there. To the mouth, the tip of the tongue of the snake. We made it. And there you can see tongue goes out to the edge of the entryway back onto the interstate. Right over there. Pretty darn cool, huh? Something kind of unusual, something a little bit different, a little bit odd. This talks about the history of the rest area and the history actually of the area itself. Used to be a lake here. But in 1891, it disappeared in just 4 weeks when the sink unplugged and drained into underground reservoirs, resulting in today's Prairie. And there's a thing about the guy who built the wall, H. Robert Wright. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content. Ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion for a future video you'd like to see me make, just leave a comment in the comment section. And you can now support Adventures in TV Land financially by going to buymeacoffee.com. The link should be in the description of this video, as well as the description of the Adventures in TV Land page. Until next time, that's a wrap.